ऑलराइट गाइस, अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं कनाडा। रवि मेरा फ्रेंड जो कि अभी लैंड हुए हैं कनाडा में, उन्होंने शेयर किया है उनका एक्सपीरियंस वाइल बुकिंग द टिकट्स। और उनको फ्लाइट में जो इंडिया से टोरंटो तक जो फ्लाइट थी उसमें उनका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा वो उन्होंने शेयर किया है। अब पूछते हैं, जब फ्लाइट लैंड हो गई थी टोरंटो एयरपोर्ट में तब उनका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा। यस रवि।
So as soon as I landed, I think things went very, very smooth. That is where I think you felt you finally arrived. Uh, but yeah, I think there was there were no irrelevant questions being asked, irrelevant
आई
processes that you
लाइक
had
द
to go.
थॉट यू गेव इन दैट वर्ड, इररेलेवेंट, है ना, जो तूने थॉट डाला ना उसमें, दैट वाज नाइस। ठीक है।
So I think कुछ कभी जैसे मैं ये भी कह रहा था कि the same people who boarded the flight who were not following social distancing in India,
या
they were same, right? And when they land in Canada, suddenly they were
दे
following
वाज
social distancing.
राइट।
So I think वो भी it's not just Canada. It's I think it's people that matters. But I think वो चीज भी है. But suddenly I don't know why when people land in Canada they suddenly start behaving how they should. So maybe it's because they are more I think scared of the consequences or whatever it is. But
यार मैंने भी ये चीज ऑब्जर्व करी है, और ये इतनी अच्छी फील देती है ना, यू नो, कि लोग भी वो फॉलो कर रहे हैं और आप भी बाय रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस चलो, विच इज वेरी गुड। और सच्ची बताऊं, एक इन्फेक्शियस चीज है ये। अगर आप चलते देखोगे ना कि लोग सफाई का ध्यान रख रहे हैं, और दे आर मेकिंग श्योर कि किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, दे आर लाइक रिस्पेक्टफुली एक दूसरे को ट्रीट करते हैं, ये बहुत इन्फेक्शियस है। और यहाँ पे कनाडा में तुम ऑब्जर्व करोगे, प्लीज, थैंक यू, सॉरी, इवन जब तू अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रहा था ना, मेरा मन था बोलने का कि आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट एक्सपीरियंस रवि, जो तुझे हुआ है ना। मेरा तो लाइक आई एम नॉट नोवेयर रिलेटेड टू दैट, बट आई फेल्ट सॉरी कि यार ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस तुझे हुआ कि तुझे लिटरली वो शील्ड ऐसे करनी। मैं सोच रहा था, है ना, यहाँ पे बैग रखा कि यार वो टच ना करे तुझे, क्योंकि ही वाज कफिंग। तो या लाइक दिस थिंग इज वेरी इन्फेक्शियस, और ये अच्छा है यहाँ पे कि लोग, जैसे तूने बोला, लोग वही हैं बट यहाँ के फॉलो करने लग जाते हैं।
right, and I think I can feel it. मैं वही तभी कह रहा था कि I think हर कोई बहुत वेलकमिंग है, बहुत आई थिंक नाइस है. Genuinely feel that people are not trying to trying to be nice. They are nice.
दे आर नाइस।
So I think that is what I felt. I had a very very small experience क्योंकि वो airport का experience ही है. Until the time we finally came to our home. I think I'm still getting help from people to get all these groceries. So definitely, I think वो सब चीजें होती नहीं अगर people are not nice here.
राइट।
So I think as far as coming back to your question, once we land to the Canadian airport, Toronto land किए थे, and Toronto land करने के बाद, I think the first thing that happened was uh, we were uh, we were given forms within the flight which we're supposed to fill in. इसके अलावा, I think as we were moving, we were on the go. That form was taken from us. वो उसमें I think हमारी सिर्फ personal information थी
Okay.
कि हम कहाँ रुकने वाले हैं and all that. I think the address. I I believe that is something that they will gonna use uh, to check whether we're
Following the
actually.
quarantine. Yeah.
So once that is done, surprisingly, no temperature checks.
No temperature
Nothing
checks.
happened.
Okay.
No temperature checks. Then we came to a place, came to a point where there was a guy. There was a kind of a cubicle where the guy was sitting, and he asked us a question. Simply, just that you are aware that you're supposed to do the quarantine, and then he asked, "How are you planning to do it?" Standard question. He asked us, "Do you have any relative here?" Rather than asking a direct question that what is your plan for quarantine, he kind of asked us in a way that, "Do you have anybody here?"
Yeah.
So we told him yes, yeah, and I had a brother. I have a brother here in Scarborough. which is what I told him. And then he asked me that he's gonna help you with the groceries. I told him yes. Although we have everything already at our place, everything's packed up in the refrigerator and stuff, everything is ready. So he believed our story, which is true as well. So and then he just allowed us to enter, and then we faced a queue. Till that point, we didn't face the queue because we left the plane behind. Then we faced we had to stand in the queue. That is the point where we got our PR confirmation.
Yeah.
So that was the queue. So that took us around 10, 15 odd minutes, maybe 20 max. 20 minutes to get our turn. And she didn't ask about the quarantine plan. She didn't ask about anything. She just did her regular questions like, with that you're coming here for the first time and all that stuff. And I think she just asked us to sign a couple of documents, and then she just welcomed us and told us, no, you are president.
Yeah.
So after that, I think in the way also we met a lady. I think she was from the security. She kind of helped us. So she helped us. She asked a couple of questions, asking that did you fill the form? Can you show it to me from a distance? She wanted to make sure that we filled it already.
Yeah.
And we had one or two questions. Questions like if you're carrying more than $10,000, you have to declare. Two was if there are goods that are following you.
Yeah.
That is also something you have to declare. So we had queries. We asked her. She, I think, instead of just giving us one-liner answer, she made sure that we understand everything well. She attended us very, very, I think, very well, despite the fact that it wasn't her job at all. She was there for the security check, but she addressed our questions very, very well.
Yeah.
So I think that was the first interaction with somebody who was Canadian, and we felt that that people are here to help you.
Yeah.
I think after getting the confirmation of the PR, then we were all out. I think then it was just taking the taxi and coming.
Okay, nice. Guys, just to say, रवि अभी थोड़े टाइम के लिए मूव हुआ है ब्रैम्पटन में. आई होप इसका ये नोशन कि एवरीवन इज देयर टू हेल्प वो ब्रैम्पटन में कहीं खत्म ना हो जाए और टूट ना आ जाए. दो आई ऑफर्ड हिम, मैं भी ब्रैम्पटन में हूँ, तो मुझे बताइए कोई चीज चाहिए हो या कुछ हो. बट अच्छा है. Nice. Good to know your experience. Good to know your, how you felt coming here. And quarantine period over कर, अच्छे से follow कर सब कुछ, और फिर थोड़ा समर भी enjoy कर ले, क्योंकि इसके बाद तो फॉल आ जाएगा. फिर अभी तू वैसे हुडी पहन के क्यों बैठा है अभी तू घर पे?
यार मैं टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरे को ऑलरेडी थोड़ी ठंड लग रही है. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. I can see that a lot of people are in their shorts and they're wearing half.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I think maybe it's just gonna take us some time to get adjusted to this weather. But according to like I said, India में इस time summer है.
Yeah.
तो summer से directly ऐसे मौसम में आते तो comparatively it's little chilly.
आज हो गया, I think आज 32 डिग्री था दिन में, तो I'm sure.
32 था, but this could be also a reason I'm in a walk-in basement
और ठंड हो गई.
तो ये थोड़ा सा comparatively ठंडा है. AC भी चल रहा है. प्लस थोड़ा सा ये डर भी है कि I don't want to take a risk
कि कोल्ड हो जाए. कफ कोई कफ करे तो लोग देखें अरे कौन है ये.
That's also thing.
चलो, nice यार, nice.
एक experience है कुलदीप, maybe you wanna capture that.
Yes.
I think while we were heading out, so जैसे मैंने कहा हमें declare करना था, there were goods that were following us. So when we were there in the queue and then we came to declare, this is the list. So obviously we came prepared. As far as we learned, we came prepared with a list of things जो हमने which we are getting.
Yeah.
And second is the jewelry की list, that is again, आपको लेके आनी होती है to declare. But I think what we missed was that they also asked for the photographs of those jewelry items.
तूने मेरी वीडियो नहीं देखी ना ज्वेलरी की है? कैसा
I
दोस्त
don't
है
know.
यार, मेरी वीडियो नहीं देखी। मेरी वीडियो में लिटरली मेरे पास प्रिंट आउट थे ज्वेलरी के, मैं लेके आया था और इसीलिए वो वीडियो बनाई थी ताकि पता हो तुम्हें।
मतलब so हमारे लिए I think I came, ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप जब आते हो ना तो आप बहुत सारे resources रेफर करते हो।
Yep.
So I think when I referred a lot of resources, a lot of people mentioned that आपको ये भी लेके आना है, वो भी लेके आना है।
True.
But then eventually when you go through a lot of resources, आपका
कुछ चीजें
दिमाग
रह जाती हैं,
automatically
I know.
tune out कर जाता है।
Of course,
और
स्पेशली अभी
your
कोविड की
mind-
सिचुएशन में तो ट्रैवल कर रहा है, फिर तो दिमाग और ही ज्यादा।
So I think उस टाइम तक हमें ऐसा लगा कि शायद फोटोज इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, मे बी द लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स इज विल बी सफिशिएंट।
जी।
तो अब चैलेंज ये है कि हमें दोबारा से, तो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि हमें वो गुड्स टू फॉलो की लिस्ट दी थी, ज्वेलरी की लिस्ट दी थी, and then when I told him that I don't have photographs, so what he did was he mentioned that आप पहले अपना quarantine period complete कर लो, and then you come back with the photos, because we had soft copy of the photos. We didn't get the hard copy just in case. So I think that helped. So उन्होंने यही बोला कि आप quarantine period over करके, then you come back and come back with the photos. Then you submit, and then we'll keep it in our record.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the thing. And I think we're talking about the tips. So fourth tip that I would want to give is that I know as a new immigrant you will have a lot of luggage to bring, but since हमारे पास भी बहुत सारा था, I think the extra baggage we thought कि हम एक extra baggage ले लेंगे, but हमें I think हमें वो एक extra baggage भी कम पड़ रहा था, to be honest. So luckily what happened was we read on the website, Air India की website, that you can book the extra luggage even before 6 hours of your flight.
Okay.
So हमने flight से एक दिन पहले we tried to book it,
okay,
but we couldn't do it. So the app or the website wasn't allowing us कि हम extra baggage book कर लें. And that happened fortunately. उससे हुआ ये कि I called the customer care and I got to know कि extra baggage जो है आप it is up to the Air India authority जो
कि वो accept करे ना करे,
and whether they will allow you or not. So वो उनके discretion पे है कि वो allow करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. So it's not mandatory कि आपने purchase कर लिया है तो आपको देंगे, ला देंगे. If they feel कि जो आपके पास सामान है वो बहुत important है, critical है आपके लिए, शायद वो तभी allow करेंगे, otherwise they might even refuse to bring it. So that is something I think very very important and critical.
कि पहले ही बुक कर लें अगर एक्स्ट्रा लगेज लेके जाना है तो, कि पहले ही बुक कर लें अगर एक्स्ट्रा लगेज लेके जाना है तो
पहले बुक कर लें. बट मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि पहले बुक करने के बाद भी it will be up to their discretion कि वो आपको अलाउ करें.
जी.
तो I think it's better कि आप ना लेके आओ एक्स्ट्रा लगेज and rather you get, जैसे हमने किया है, हमने I think we were getting all that extra stuff through courier. तो वो सारा सामान अब courier के थ्रू आएगा हमारे पास. And I think it will not be a problem because हमने already वो सारा सामान already declare किया हुआ है that it's gonna follow us. So even the custom problem or that will not be there. So I think ideally that's a better way to travel given the circumstances. I think you will not want to be at their mercy,
प्लीज अलाउ कर दो. और वहां पे तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, वहां पे तो फिर अगर नहीं अलाउ किया तो इट विल गो इन द गार्बेज.
And I think that's something you would never want. क्योंकि obviously वो आपका, I'm sure whatever you're carrying, that's the most important.
Alright Ravi, thanks for your time, thanks for your tips, अपना पूरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के लिए, सारे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. अभी अपना क्वारंटीन पीरियड आराम से खत्म करो और फिर निकलो बाहर आराम से, है ना, अपना वेदर एंजॉय करो कनाडा का ब्यूटीफुल. और थैंक्स अगेन फॉर योर टाइम एंड वेलकम टू कनाडा.
थैंक यू एंड वेलकम, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। अगर इससे किसी की हेल्प होती है तो व्हाई नॉट।
Yeah. All right. Thanks again, Ravi. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.
बाय।
तो गाइज ये थी वीडियो मेरे फ्रेंड रवि के साथ जो मैंने बनाई। हमने बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे उनसे, उनके पूरे एक्सपीरियंस से लेके जबकि उन्होंने टिकट्स बुक कराई, उनका फ्लाइट का एक्सपीरियंस और वो कनाडा में आए, और उन्होंने कुछ टिप्स, इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स भी हमारे साथ शेयर करी। तो आई होप आप सबको जो अभी ट्रैवल करने वाले हैं और या फिर आपके रिलेटिव्स जो कि ट्रैवल करने वाले हैं, आपको अपने क्वेश्चंस का आंसर मिल गया होगा। अगर फिर भी कोई सवाल है जो आप हमसे पूछना चाहते हैं, वो प्लीज आप कमेंट्स में डालें, और प्लीज लाइक कर दें ये वीडियो को और सब्सक्राइब कर दें मेरे चैनल को, ताकि हम ऐसी और वीडियोस आपके लिए लेके आएं।